the backbone of Bitcoin security, stability, and fairness. Bitcoin mining isn't just about making money, it's about keeping the whole system going. Miners around the world play a crucial role in verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This decentralized system means no single entity has control over the network, which prevents fraud and ensures trust. At the heart of Bitcoin security is its decentralized nature. Miners validate transactions and ensure they are accurate and legitimate before adding them to the blockchain. This system helps in preventing double spending, where someone might try to spend the same Bitcoin twice. By verifying each transaction, miners help maintain the integrity of the network, making it a trustworthy system for users globally. The energy and resources required to accomplish such a task would be monumental, thereby ensuring stability and fairness within the network. The rewards for mining, which include new Bitcoins and transaction fees, are incentives for miners to continue supporting the network. As we dive deeper into crypto mining, it's essential to understand these foundational elements that keep Bitcoin robust and reliable. The Bitcoin mining process starts with solving cryptographic puzzles. These puzzles are mathematical problems that miners must solve to add a new block to the blockchain. Think of it like a lottery, where miners compete to find the right solution. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the block and is rewarded with new Bitcoins. These puzzles are specifically designed to be resource-intensive and time-consuming, requiring specialized computers known as ASICs. These machines are optimized to solve the puzzles efficiently and quickly, giving miners an edge in the competition. The complexity of these puzzles ensures that only those with significant processing power can participate in mining. Without these specialized computers, solving the puzzles and mining Bitcoin would be nearly impossible. As more miners join the network, the competition becomes fiercer, with each miner vying for the chance to add the next block and earn their reward. This competitive process ensures that only valid transactions are added to the blockchain, maintaining the network's security and integrity. By solving these puzzles, miners play a pivotal role in keeping the Bitcoin ecosystem functional and trustworthy for all users. The golden carrot rewards of Bitcoin mining. The rewards of Bitcoin mining are what keep miners engaged and willing to invest in the necessary hardware and electricity. When a miner successfully adds a new block to the blockchain, they are rewarded with a fixed number of new Bitcoins. This reward serves as the primary incentive for miners to participate in the network's upkeep and security. In addition to the reward of newly minted Bitcoins, miners also earn transaction fees. Every transaction that gets included in a block carries a fee, which is paid to the miner who successfully adds that block. These fees are a crucial part of the incentive structure, especially as the reward for new Bitcoins decreases over time. With Bitcoin's limited supply cap of 21 million coins, transaction fees will eventually become the primary incentive for miners. This compensation is essential, as mining can be a costly endeavor due to the need for specialized hardware and high electricity consumption. Without these incentives, miners might not find it worthwhile to continue securing the network, which could jeopardize its security and stability. Understanding these rewards and incentives is vital for anyone considering venturing into the world of crypto mining. Guardian of the ledger, ensuring network security. Mining plays a vital role in ensuring the security of the Bitcoin network. One of its primary functions is to verify transactions and prevent double spending. Double spending is a fraudulent activity where a user attempts to spend the same Bitcoin more than once. The decentralized nature of mining ensures that such fraudulent activities are quickly identified and prevented. Miners act as guardians of the Bitcoin ledger by validating new transactions and including them in the blockchain. This verification process involves checking the legitimacy of each transaction, ensuring that the sender has sufficient funds and that the transaction follows the correct protocol. By doing so, miners maintain the ledger's integrity and ensure that only valid transactions are recorded. The competitive nature of mining, where multiple miners work on solving cryptographic puzzles, adds an additional layer of security. This competition makes it nearly impossible for any single entity to control or alter the blockchain, as doing so would require an immense amount of computational power and resources. As a result, mining is not just a means of earning rewards, but a fundamental aspect of maintaining the robustness and reliability of the entire Bitcoin ecosystem. Section 5. Building blocks. The creation and validation process. The process of creating and validating blocks is at the core of Bitcoin mining. It begins with miners collecting and verifying transactions from the network. These transactions are bundled into a candidate block, a tentative collection that miners aim to add to the blockchain. Once a miner has assembled a candidate block, the real challenge begins, solving the cryptographic puzzle associated with it. This puzzle involves finding a specific number, called a nonce, that results in the block's hash meeting the network's difficulty target. The hash is a unique digital fingerprint for the block, and finding the correct nonce requires extensive computational work. When a miner successfully solves the puzzle and finds the correct nonce, the candidate block is added to the blockchain and the miner broadcasts the new block to the network. Other miners then verify the block's validity by checking its transactions and ensuring that the cryptographic puzzle was correctly solved. This process of creation and validation is fundamental to maintaining the integrity of the Bitcoin network, ensuring that it remains secure and trustworthy for all users. Section 6. The Balancing Act Mining Difficulty Adjustment. Mining difficulty is a critical concept in Bitcoin mining, ensuring that blocks are added to the blockchain at a consistent rate. The network adjusts the difficulty of the cryptographic puzzles approximately every 2 weeks, based on the total computational power of the network. This adjustment process is essential to maintain the network's stability and security. The difficulty level is determined by the network's goal to produce a new block approximately every 10 minutes. If blocks are being mined too quickly, the network increases the difficulty of the puzzles. Conversely, if blocks are taking too long to mine, the difficulty decreases. This dynamic adjustment ensures that the rate of block creation remains consistent, despite fluctuations in the number of miners or changes in computational power. By making it harder or easier to mine blocks, the network can respond to changes in miner participation and computational power. This adaptability prevents any single miner or group of miners from gaining disproportionate control over the network, thus safeguarding its decentralized nature. Understanding mining difficulty and its adjustments is important for miners, as it directly impacts their potential earnings. Section 7. Tools of the trade. Building your crypto mining rig. Building a crypto mining rig can be an exciting yet challenging endeavor. The first step is to choose the right hardware. The most critical component is the mining hardware, often represented by ASICs for Bitcoin mining. These machines are specifically designed for the task and provide the best efficiency and performance. Once you've selected your hardware, the next step is to consider the power supply. Mining rigs consume a significant amount of electricity, so investing in a reliable and efficient power supply unit, or PSU, is essential. Cooling is another important aspect of building a mining rig. The intense computational work generates a lot of heat, so proper cooling solutions are necessary to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. This can include fans, heat sinks, or even more advanced solutions like liquid cooling systems. Finally, the setup and configuration of your mining software are crucial for the rig's operation. With the right setup, your mining rig can become a valuable asset, contributing to the Bitcoin network and providing potential income. Section 8. Maximizing efficiency tips for successful mining. Efficiency is key when it comes to successful Bitcoin mining. One of the primary ways to improve efficiency is by optimizing your mining rig. This includes ensuring that your hardware is running at peak performance and that your cooling solutions are effectively managing the heat output. Energy consumption is a significant consideration in mining. With electricity being a major cost factor, finding ways to reduce energy usage can greatly enhance profitability. This might involve using energy-efficient hardware, optimizing your mining operations, or even exploring renewable energy sources to power your rig. Another tip for maximizing efficiency is to join a mining pool. Mining pools allow individual miners to combine their computational resources, increasing the chances of successfully mining a block. By focusing on efficiency and staying adaptable, miners can enhance their success and contribute effectively to the Bitcoin network. Section 9. The Road Ahead. Embracing the future of cryptocurrency. As we move into the future, cryptocurrency continues to evolve and expand in influence. Bitcoin mining remains a vital aspect of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, providing security and stability to the network. By understanding the fundamental concepts of mining, participants can contribute to this dynamic field and potentially benefit from its growth. Technology advancements are likely to play a significant role in the future of mining. As hardware becomes more powerful and efficient, miners will be able to optimize their operations further. Additionally, innovations in blockchain technology could introduce new opportunities and challenges for miners, requiring adaptability and foresight. Regulatory developments will also shape the future landscape of cryptocurrency mining. Staying informed about these changes and understanding their implications will be essential for miners navigating this evolving environment. By understanding the intricacies of mining and staying ahead of industry trends, participants can ensure their place in the exciting future of cryptocurrency.